Hello, my name is Ines Shalev. Today I will show you one of my favorite desserts. This is scrumptious dessert called lava cake. Everybody loves lava cake. It's very simple. The only thing I would like you to follow the recipe. Here I have water. Here I have some chocolate. And I'm making a water bath. I have some butter. And one of my secret ingredients, a little bit of salt. Why? Because chocolate and salt, friends forever. So I'm taking another bowl, and here I'm mixing eggs, with sugar, and I give it a good stir. While we're waiting until the chocolate and butter melts, I will work with the actual circles in where we'll fill up the ready-to-go mass. Here, gently, little by little, add flour. Now we mix those two mixtures together, just like that. And that's what we're looking for, is the French call it brillant, the color of the shining coming up. As soon as I move and stop, it's become immediately shining. That's good. And we put an oven. Okay, and now we fill up the molds. Wonderful. And now we put it in the fridge and leave it at least for half an hour. It's best to use next day actually. When they cold, they become stiff. We put them in the oven with the fan. So what is important now is to let it rest. So it's hot. Now, the moment of truth. Gently lift it up. We remove paper and we serve it with a little bit of ice cream.